The house you're about to see is a model home, recreated using artificial intelligence so you can directly experience the renovation process. This isn't a real property for sale. It's a visual tool designed to help you visualize the transformation of your own home. So keep following us. By the end of this journey, you'll understand what materials really withstand humid climates, what types of stone retain heat well in winter, what layouts make a small house look more spacious. And if that's helpful to you, remember to subscribe to the channel as we build a story like this every week. The stone facade was cracked and crumbling. The roof sagged under a thick layer of moss. After discussing and agreeing on a renovation plan with the homeowner, workers moved across the property, clearing debris, trimming overgrown bushes, and removing damaged structures. Outside, the ground was also meticulously cared for, just like the walls. The old, rough cobblestones were removed and replaced with smoother, safer, and more aesthetically pleasing paving stones. Surrounding them was a terraced garden with lavender, hydrangeas, and roses, arranged according to height and flowering season. Above was a new Scandinavian-style tiled roof, combined with custom-designed chimneys and black aluminum window frames. The black window frames created a subtle effect, blending into the surrounding landscape, allowing the view through the glass to become a true decorative highlight. As dusk fell, the transformation became clearly visible. Glass balconies catch the last rays of sunlight reflecting on the lake's surface. What was once abandoned now looks like a private resort. The living room, crews sand the hardwood floor down to a warm, honest patina. Scandinavian-style plaster goes on the walls, pale, textured, quiet. It does not compete with the timber above it. The built-in walnut cabinetry, once buried under grime, is refinished and repurposed to hold a modern entertainment center. Then comes styling, the final layer that turns architecture into a home. A leather sofa, wool throws, a pair of eagle sculptures grounding the room in the mountain identity outside the window. When the fireplace is lit, orange light meets golden hour sun through tall glass and the room stops looking renovated. It looks lived in. The kitchen, olive green shaker cabinetry replaces the custom-built, simple in line, timeless in style. At the center, an oversized walnut island anchors the room, its solid wood top thick enough to double as a workstation and a gathering point. Natural stone countertops pair with matte black faucets and a brass range hood, the kind of contrast that keeps a kitchen from feeling flat. Warm against cool, soft against industrial. Beneath the panoramic window, a bench seat is built in, turning wasted corner space into a breakfast nook facing the lake. Pendant lighting drops low over the island. Copper utensils and botanical art finish the room. What was once a hazard becomes the heart of the house.
We've completed the final quality check on all installations. Everything is up to date. Double-check the equipment and electrics. Punch list is complete, ready for sign-off. I am very happy with the result.
The cabinetry turned out beautifully, and the range hood really complements the stone accents.
It's absolutely stunning, more than I imagined. Thank you so much.
The bedroom, crumbling plaster is stripped and replaced with smooth, warm-toned walls. The original ceiling beams stay exposed, but now they hide concealed LED lighting so the architecture glows instead of just standing there. Linen drapes slide onto curtain rings. Neutral bedding is smoothed flat. A wooden bed frame and leather armchairs are angled toward two things only: the stone fireplace and the mountain view beyond the glass. The bathroom, waterproofing, and plumbing come first, always. Then a rustic wood tray ceiling goes up, paired with slate-look porcelain flooring that handles moisture without sacrificing warmth. Forest green subway tile lines the shower. A freestanding tub sits against a restored stone wall, black-framed glass doors add a modern edge, and brass chandeliers bring in just enough shine. Navy towels, wooden stools, quiet spa scents finish the space. By the final light of sunset, the glass reflects the lake outside, streak-free, still, calm. What did this house really teach us? That good renovations respect what already exists before adding anything new. That climate dictates material choices, not trends. That contrast, dark versus light, rough versus smooth, is what makes a space feel alive instead of artificial. If you are standing at the beginning of your own renovation, staring at drawings that still feel abstract, let this be proof. The gap between a blueprint and a home is not magic. It is decisions made one room at a time. What would you change first if this were your house? Tell us in the comments and subscribe, because next week we walk through another one.